Cameron, who'd you get this from? Oh my goodness. Wow. I think it's an Easter basket, sweetheart. Hold on, let's open it. Poo-poo surprise?
Yeah. Bet this is peeps. I bet these are peeps. Ew.
Ew.
They're peeps. What flavor are they?
Blue raspberry.
Blue raspberry.
Here, take it out. I think it's a big old basket. Ooh, oh my, look at that. Here.
See, open it. Ah!
More cards, look at that. Now you can learn how to do math. Oh, that's probably for Cassidy. Oh, that one's not for Cassidy, I don't think. Or maybe they are.
Oh, this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, there's more.
Ah!
What's that?
This is for Cassidy.
It's for Cassidy?
Yeah.
Ooh, what are those? Snoopy Crunch Bars. Maybe that one's for you? Another one. Okay, you're gonna share with your sister. That's very nice of you. I think there's more in there, hun.
Easter basket.
There's stuff in the eggs. Oh look! Oh my goodness! Look at that. It's a giant Snoopy. Do you need to go to the bathroom?
Yes.
Oh, okay.